friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Foundation Galactic Frontier game crashing or not working, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So recently a new error is showing while going through the launching on the game. So when you click on the game icon over here, you will get through this kind of screen, and after that you will get the download option. So it's saying a new version is available, your current version is outdated, please update it from the app store, then log in again. So after you go to the download option, it will redirect you to the Google Play Store, from where you will not get any update option. You simply can see either uninstall and play option. So when you again click on the play option, it will revert back to the same page where you will be said that you have to download a new version. So what you need to do is you have to wait for some time until you get any update from the support team or from the game team. And once your game is updated, after that you can try to play the game and see whether it's working or not. So for recent time, there is no update available. It may vary from region to region or any other issue. So you have to wait for some time, and after that again try it and check if there is any update available. Meanwhile, if you suffer from other issues, you can once force stop and clear cache of the game. So what you need to do is simply click and hold the game icon over here, and now click on app info, and once click on the force stop and then click on OK. After that, check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. Or you can go to storage and cache, and here you can click on clear cache, and after that try to launch the game again, and then check whether the same error is showing or it has been resolved. So it's showing the same error. Click on the download and see what's happening. Yes, it's redirecting to the same page. So what you need to do is you simply have to wait for some time unless you get an update option or a new version available over here. And after you download the new version, then try to play the game and then check. So meanwhile, you have to wait for some time, and then later on again try to update it. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.